No. Anyways, hello guys. This is the second video. Today, today we're going to try to get the large sharks as you see right here. We're percentage 6 to getting large sharks. In this episode, it might be a little short, but just enjoy the video. It might take a while. Okay? So, yeah. As you can see, my favorite shark of all. Like, this should be everybody's favorite shark. If you saw in the background right there, that clip right there, you saw the big shark behind it, all the other sharks. You know, that's the Megalodon. And I just want that shark so bad. Let's go. Come on. Huh. Lag. There we go. Lag. Lag, go away. I want to see you any day. Stop. Man, it sucks. Guys, one sec. I will make another video of this later. I need to fix something, whatever's going on in my video. I'm not. Oh yeah, it is so. Bye. What? Peace, everybody. No shots allowed. Hey guys, something's wrong with this. I'm gonna have to end the video here.